Hey everyone, it's December 21st. We are here for another round of toothbrush talk. We are finishing off our week of love, and we are going to talk about it from the perspective of Elizabeth. So grab your toothbrush, grab your toothpaste, get it ready to go, start brushing, and our 2-minute countdown begins. It's really hard to love people we're jealous of. Have you ever thought about that? It's a little bit of a hard sentence to swallow. Whenever I don't like someone, I sometimes ask myself the really hard question of, do I not like them because I'm jealous of them? Oof, that's a hard question. And if you're asking yourself that question right now, please don't turn off this video. Don't spit out the spit prematurely. Let's keep going. Let's keep talking about this, even though that question is really tricky. And I ask this question not just for you to think about, but it's something that I've really struggled with, and I still do. And it's a really humbling question to ask yourself. Do I not like this person because I'm jealous of them? When we're jealous of someone, I think the reason that we find it really hard to love them is because we want to protect ourselves. We're like, no, I need to protect my own reputation. I need to protect how I view myself and how other people view me. So I just have to not worry about what I'm jealous about of that person, push them to the side, and to protect myself, I just can't love them. But Elizabeth, who is Mary's cousin, has a lot to teach us about the amazingness of loving others, even if jealousy is kind of knocking at the door a little bit. So when Mary discovered that she was pregnant, that God chose her to be the one to bring his son into the world, Mary immediately went to Elizabeth. She wanted to share this exciting news. And Elizabeth kind of had two options. She could have, celebrated with Mary, which she did, by the way. Celebrate and be like, yes, this is so exciting. New life is coming. Or she could have let jealousy take over. She could have been like, well, why did God choose you? Why didn't God choose me? What do you think would have happened if Elizabeth became jealous of Mary? It would have been a mess of a situation. Elizabeth wouldn't have been able to love Mary well. She may have started saying really mean things to Mary. She may have started spreading rumors. She wouldn't have been able to love Mary really well, who is her cousin, because she would have been jealous. It would have been a mess. But rather, Elizabeth chose to put jealousy to the side. She wasn't even gonna touch it. It was gonna just be over here. Don't even touch jealousy. She was just gonna love Mary. She was so excited for her. She was so excited for the journey. She was so excited that God chose Mary to be the one to bring God's son into the world. And Elizabeth simply celebrated. And that's because she was able to love Mary so well. So think about those two different scenarios. Play them out in your mind. What would happen if Elizabeth became jealous of Mary? And what would have happened, what did happen, with the fact that she wasn't jealous of Mary? And see how those scenarios kind of play out in your mind.